want you to breathe me. Let me be your...
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a brand new video. Obviously it's a very exciting one. I say that for all my videos. I know it is very exciting, at least for me. I hope you guys are just as excited for these videos. This is another shoe unboxing, or I should say shoes actually, because I am unboxing two pair of shoes. I was gonna do it separately, but then again I thought it's useless to do that. Why not just put them together, because the shoes are related anyways, so it makes sense to unbox them together. Happy new month. Today is the 2nd day of May. It's a Saturday. It's like the most beautiful day today. I hope you guys are having a lovely month. I hope everything, you know, goes back to normal very soon. I can already feel it. I feel like the city is coming back. Yesterday, for the first time, I took a little walk, and it feels like New York City is coming back. So things are looking on the brighter side. So I'm very, very excited about that. But let's go back to the shoes. Yes. Today's unboxing are Manolos. I hope you guys have watched my previous unboxing. I think I was talking on my stories and someone suggested that I should get a pair of the Hangisis, and when I looked at the Hangisis I was like, no, that's not my style. They weren't my style, because my style, it's very much understated. My style is not glam. I am not a glam girl. I don't like to get super dressed up. That's me. I like to get dressed, but at the same time I don't like to get dressed up, unless it's a special occasion and I want to just, like, you know, be glam and all that stuff. But on a daily basis, glam is not my thing. And when I thought about these shoes, I was like, oh, they would be perfect for my friend Deb, because my friend Deb, she's like the ultimate glam girl. After I denied that, you know, these shoes weren't for me, I went looking. I was like, okay, maybe there's something there. Let me just go look. So I looked on the hashtag on Instagram. I also looked here on YouTube, and I also looked on Pinterest. It's like my favorite thing ever right now. I was looking at the Hangisis, looking to see if it's a shoe that I could get down with. If you guys didn't know, these shoes are the most famous because of Sex and the City. The royal blue Hangisis are the one Mr. Big proposed to carry with in the movie, I think, right? Yes, in the movie. I will insert the clip if I can find it.
See, this is why there's a diamond. You need to do something to close the deal.
His instinct is to get the royal blue because, of course, it's the most famous one. Not only that, I just think blue is not a color that I like, to be quite honest. It wouldn't really go with anything in my wardrobe to begin with. So I thought the blue was out of the question. I'm thinking when I get married, totally I would probably get the blue ones, because that would probably be my something blue. But other than that, on a daily basis, I wouldn't get the blue one. The first one that I ordered is actually the slingback version of the Hangisi. It's called the Hangisli. So when I saw that color and the slingback, you guys know the slingback is my ultimate shoe, because I like a shoe that is a little bit casual, where I could just wear it every day. I saw the slingback version of the pumps. I was like, ooh, I think I'll get a lot more wear out of these instead of the pumps. Pumps are not my favorite shoes, to be quite honest. Well, let's get into the shoes, because I feel like I've rambled on for so much. When I saw this color, I had no plan or no intention. I feel like I always say that for all my unboxing. I'm starting to see a pattern here. I don't have plans to buy something, and then I find myself in the internet hole, and the next thing you know, I'm buying things. Honestly, impulse purchases are my favorite ones. If I don't buy something impulsively, I'm probably gonna end up returning it. That's just me. Whenever I buy things on an impulse, those are the purchases that I end up liking a lot more. That means I truly love something if I see it like the first time and I'm like, this is it. So I have 2 boxes from Manolos here. This one I ordered from Farfetch. I saw the price and they had my size and the color. I was like, this is it. It's calling my name. I will discuss the price later in the video, so stay tuned for that. But let's unbox these. I'm gonna get closer. These are the Hangisli, as you can see, in the green color. This is the 70mm heel height, which is about 2.7 inches, and size 36. I got my normal size, and it's satin. It's the green color, so the shoe is 100% satin, I believe. And you guys already know what a Manolo box looks like. It's white with the gray Manolo tag, and of course the Manolo dust bag, the gray. Guys, these shoes was like the most beautiful thing ever. Look at these. They are like the most perfect things that I've ever seen. Green color, let me remove. And this is the 70mm heel height, which is 2.7 inches, and then it has the buckle crystal in the front, which is the most iconic thing for these shoes. That's what makes these shoes so special. 100% satin here, and then 100% leather on the inside and also in the heel, and size 36. This one I got my true size, and this color, guys, it's everything. It's still a neutral. Now thinking back, I wish I would have gotten the pumps in the green color instead. These are the most beautiful. They are true to size, although I could still get away with the 6.5. My normal size is 6. I think I could still wear a 6.5. If I couldn't find this in a 6, I would have bought the 6.5. It would have been fine. But yes, these are the most beautiful thing, and you guys know green used to be my favorite color back in the day. It's like every time I open the box, I cannot stop staring at these shoes. They're like the most beautiful thing that I've ever seen, and I just love that they are a slingback, which just give them, they can be an everyday shoe. For me, you guys know I am not attached to things. I don't mind if my shoes show some sign of wear. Again, they are very delicate shoes. I wouldn't wear these in the rain. If I get caught in the rain, I'll probably just walk barefoot and I'll just take a taxi or an Uber home. I could not let these get ruined. I wouldn't wear these in the rain, obviously, but on a regular basis, I will definitely be wearing these a lot to go to events, dinner. Again, I didn't know I needed these shoes so badly. I think they're like the most beautiful shoes that I have. Yeah, they're like the most beautiful shoes that I own, to be quite honest. These are just a sight for sore eyes. Oh, they're so pretty. So the crystals are a little bit grayish in this ones. The crystals varies. I don't think I've seen the slingback higher than this, but in the pumps the heel height varies. But when it comes to the slingback, the ideal height honestly is the 70mm. I wouldn't want a slingback any higher than this, because for slingbacks you want it to be comfortable. Honestly, I cannot stop staring at these shoes. They're just like so gorgeous. I love them so much. Wow. And every time I put them on, I was like, oh, yes. I love them. But yeah, I would say they run true to size. Get your normal size. I cannot wait to wear these outside. Let me let you admire them. Look at this green. It's like the most beautiful shade of green that I've ever seen. This is what happened when you start watching Sex and the City. All of a sudden, you become obsessed with Manolos. The slingbacks, I don't think I want the slingbacks in any other color. I think this is the perfect color for me. The pumps, though, that's a different story. Slingbacks came to $765, so I purchased them for $765 from Farfetch. And they came within a couple of days. I love Farfetch delivery. Their stuff comes so fast. It's incredible. I will leave the link below if you guys want to check him out. I think the price have gone up since then, since I bought them, so I'm so happy that I bought them. And I'll leave a few links below. Although I ordered from Farfetch works with a bunch of boutiques, so these shoes actually came from Brown's Fashion. So I don't know if you guys have ordered stuff from Brown Fashions before. And now onto the second pair of shoes for this unboxing video. Right after I bought the slingbacks, I know I wanted it in the pumps version because again, I go to very high-end events for work, and sometimes I feel like I don't have the right glam shoe for those events. So I thought, you know what, the Manolos are like the perfect shoes for that. Color is what was giving me a problem. I couldn't figure out a color that I wanted, because as soon as I ordered the slingbacks, that's when I was like, I actually want the pumps in the green color, because that green would be my neutral color and I could wear it with a lot of things in my wardrobe. But anything else I don't see. And also the blush pink, like the nude wear, that's the color that I wanted to get the pumps in. But I thought, you know what, my closet is very neutral to begin with. I could probably get away with like a fun color pumps, and then I could always get myself a pair of the nude ones when I find them later on. I mean, I'm sure I could find it, but the price that I wanted to pay for them, that's what I mean. Although I've gotten the two of them in the 70mm, when it came to the pumps, I wanted the high ones. When it comes to pumps, I don't like pumps that are too low. It just doesn't look good at my feet for some reason. Slingbacks are fine with the heel height being under 3 inches, but when it comes to pumps, I need my pumps to be about 4 inches. So I ended up getting I got the Hangisi in the yellow color, and the heel height is 105mm, and of course my size 36. So 105mm, that's about 4 inches, which is the perfect pump height for me. I wouldn't want anything that's above 5 inches. I feel like once you get in the 5 inches, you're in, I don't know, you're in a different territory. I wanted the pumps in the higher heel height. So this one I ordered from Savannah's because they were having, they have this coupon that you save however much if you spend however much. So I ended up getting these for $8.25, and usually these retails for $9.95 plus tax in the States, so it was $8.25 even. I didn't have to pay taxes or anything. And of course comes in the signature Manolo Blahnik. They are in the dust bag. And here is the Hangisi in the yellow, 100% satin, and also 100% leather on the inside, and the leather sole as well. Let me come closer so you guys can see these beauties. When I open the box, guys, I almost die. Like, I have no words. Like, these shoes are like the most beautiful thing that I've ever seen. The height, it's like the perfect height at 4 inches. The silver ring around it, it's so perfect. 36. I would say these are actually a little bit big on me, and they are 36, which is very strange. But I heard people say their shoes are made from different factories. Sometimes some of them run big, sometimes some of them run small. And I've read some reviews online that says to go half a size bigger in this because they run small, but not for me. They run true to size for me, just a tiny bit big. I can get away with it. I could just put an insole in there. And also if my feet get bigger, I could still wear these. So I'm very happy about this. The color though. So I love the color to look at, but when it comes to wearing them, I just haven't figured out. I just haven't figured out what I would be wearing with these shoes. So these shoes, I think they are perfect for girls that are like casual, that are like in jeans and t-shirts all the time. You can easily dress them up with these shoes because they are so fun, they are so glam, they're so beautiful. But when it comes to me, I don't know how much I would actually wear these. I think I would only be wearing them for special occasions anyways. I guess I wouldn't want to be wearing them all the time to begin with. I still haven't decided if I'm going to keep these, although I just love them so much. Like, this yellow color is everything. Yeah, I have to keep them. I have to keep them, guys. I have a lot of white dresses, so I can definitely wear these. But when it comes to going to event like black tie, I don't know. I guess if I wear a black dress, I can wear them with the yellow, so that should be fine. I have to figure out what kind of bag then would I be able to pair with these. Again, they have the classic crystal buckle at the front, kind of like an almond toe. What I love about these, if you're not a high heel person, they come in different variety for the heel height. So I wanted it in the 90 originally, but then again I thought, you know what, I just want the 4 inches, because at least in the pumps version, or if you are a person who can't really wear high heels, I would say these shoes are probably perfect, because they come in so many variety when it comes to the heel height and those colors. So they have the 50mm, they have the 70, which I've seen a lot of the 70, but I didn't want the 70 because I think that was too low for me in the pumps. They have the 90. The 90 is actually the one that's hard to find, and then you have the 105. So there are plenty of the 105mm, which is the 4 inches, and the 70, which is 2.7 inches. Oh, and they are like the most comfortable shoes, and again, they are the most beautiful thing. Between the yellow and the green, I think the green is the most beautiful compared to what? Oops, be careful there. I am biased because green is my color. I think the green is more beautiful than the yellow. But these two are the most beautiful shoes in my closet at the moment, and I cannot wait to wear them. Oh my god, they are so beautiful. I cannot tell you how beautiful they are. Again, I found the slingback for $7.65 on Farfetch, and then I bought these from Savannah's for $8.25. They were $900, but because they had the promotion, so I saved $100 something on the yellow one. So now I have to go through my closet and see what I would be able to wear these with. But I am sure I will find something. It's not going to be hard for me to find something to wear these shoes with. And even if I just get to look at, usually I don't buy things to just look at, but these shoes I would actually I would be happy to just look at them, and that would just make me happy. Let me know if you ladies own a pair of Manolos. If so, which style? Is it the Hangisi, and what color? So my next color, I really want to hunt them down to find the blush pink in the price that I want. And also, I think there was another color that I wanted them in. Yeah, just a blush pink. And then ultimately, I would probably get the blue one. When I get married, that would be like my wedding shoes. So I would have about 3 pairs. But I am sure I'll be adding a lot more of these shoes to my collection, because I am just so obsessed, because you're just like so beautiful. I want them in almost every color. I love that. That's it for this unboxing. I cannot wait to wear them. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. I don't know where I'll be wearing. I'm gonna go and admire my shoes. Thank you again, ladies, so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below which shoe is your favorite. If it's the Hangisi, which are the pumps, or is it the Hangisli, which are the slingback. Yes, let me know which shoe is your favorite. I will speak to you ladies in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. My linen tie shirt, it's actually from H&M. I will link it below. I just received it the other day and I am obsessed with it. I may order it, and I may order another one just to have for back.